The Nova Pro Scala drawer system is a double-wall steel drawer system with soft closing action and synchronized movement from Grass America. Today we're going to demonstrate how to assemble these drawers in 10 seconds with the Grass TECMATOR ZPN E2 assembly machine. It uses a built-in spike system to completely assemble the drawer without screws. The Nova Pro Scala drawer consists of 4 basic parts: the drawer front with front fixing hardware, the drawer bottom, the drawer sides, and the drawer back. Step 1. Connect an air hose to the TECMATOR air regulator. Next, change the material from steel to wood. Step 3. Change the slide control from indexation to variable. Step 4. Press and hold the locking handle to move the right side adjustment from right to left. When you release the button, the right side will lock into place. Or you can use the drawer back to set the right side adjustment for your drawer width. Step 5. Set the drawer depth stop to the correct Nova Pro Scala product. Repeat Step 5 on the right side as well. Each product is labeled on both sides for convenience. Step 7. Set the drawer back stops on the right and left side by pushing them up. There are stops for each height according to the Nova Pro Scala heights. Set the drawer depth stops on each side for the desired size. Step 9. Adjust the driver mechanism to the proper length and set the appropriate switch according to the color code of the measurement. Step 10. Place the drawer back and bottom into the press against the stop. Then place the Nova Pro drawer sides, front down, on each side of the drawer bottom and back. Press and hold the 2 activation switches. Approximately 10 seconds is required for each drawer assembly. Place the finished drawer on top of the Nova Pro Scala drawer slides and push in. Attach the drawer front with pre-attached hardware, and your installation is complete. Thank you for watching this Grass demonstration of the TECMATOR ZPN E2. Visit our website if you need more information on this and other products.